Yeah, I believe he said he's in the Union City area. And
half a mile in front of us, getting ready to the medical tank.
This is the Yukon Emergency Operations. We are under a severe tornado warning. Please take shelter to the inside part of your house. This is the Yukon Emergency Operations Shelter. We are under a tornado warning, and please take shelter in the center part of your house.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
to 2 miles over the work, folks. So we're looking right in here. So here's Interstate